Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
Measure and prepare ingredients first. Use 50 g dark chocolate, 70%, 30 g unsalted butter, 15 g granulated sugar, 15 ml milk, 1 large egg yolk, and 1 large egg white for a single souffle. Finely chop chocolate for even melting. Place chocolate and butter in a microwave-safe bowl and melt in 15-second bursts, stirring between bursts until smooth. Meanwhile, grease a 12-ounce ramekin with butter and dust evenly with 5 g unsweetened cocoa powder to ensure the souffle releases cleanly. Start by whisking the egg white to soft peaks while adding 10 g sugar gradually. This creates a stable meringue that traps air. In a separate bowl, blend the egg yolk with the melted chocolate and 15 ml milk until glossy, stirring for about 10 to 15 seconds. Temper the yolk mixture by folding in 1/4 of the meringue to loosen it, then gently fold the rest in 2 or 3 movements using a spatula. Preserve as much volume as possible without overmixing for a light interior. Spoon the batter into the prepared 12-ounce ramekin, smoothing the surface but leaving a little batter below the rim so it can rise. Microwave on 70% power for 50 to 60 seconds depending on oven wattage. After the cycle, let the ramekin rest inside the microwave for 20 seconds before opening to let carryover heat finish the center. The souffle is done when the top has risen and the center remains slightly jiggly. Remove. Dust with 3 g cocoa powder or 5 g powdered sugar.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.